Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Gorffy 165 piece car fuse set. So in this one you get two sizes, the mini one and the standard size normal ones. So the reason I bought this is because in my Golf the fuse, my brother shorted out the fuse somehow, I don't know how. So then I put some other fuses in and they shorted out straight away. I'll show you. So this is how you know if the fuses have gone bad. So these are the 20 amps. I've run out 20 amps as you can see here if you look very closely. So can you see it's burnt? Well, this one's fully burnt, it's black inside, but here can you see there's a full coat of the metal. So that metal should be connected together, but when the fuse blows, that metal blows up to stop any current going through. So that's how you know you still have a current problem after putting in 2 new fuses. So I've run out of 20 amps. I have these ones left which are 15, 5, 25 and all that. As you can see, the metal in the middle are connected, so these are good fuses. I'm just showing you the example. So that's why I bought them. So what I found was, so what would you do in this instance? What you need to do is find what's causing the fuse to pop again. So I checked the 12 volt socket, that wasn't working. There was fully tissue like popped in there. I don't know why, who put tissue in there. Maybe that shorted it out, I don't know. We'll have to find out. I'll only know by trying again with another fuse because I cleared it all out. I'm going to put another fuse in today. If it blows again, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart the radio, pull that out. I'm going to check the fuse on the back of the radio because that's another common thing. Because if that's gone, they're like on similar lines basically. I don't know how to explain it. They're on similar electric lines. So if the fuse on the radio has gone on the back of it for the USB port, then most likely that could be the cause of that. But I'm thinking it might have just been the 12 volt socket that they put tissue all the way in. Maybe it shorted out, maybe a coin's got in there because it has got coins everywhere. So yeah, we'll find out anyway. That's what I bought this kit for. So this costs £8, 165 piece. You can also get it in 108. Well, this one is 108, so 108 small ones, 57 normal ones, or you can get 120 of these normal size ones, or you can get 165 of the mini ones. You can mix and match, but they're roughly all £8 pretty much. So yeah, this one had good reviews, so hopefully it's all good. Now let me take this part off. Come on, man. There you go. Okay, there you go. Right, okay, there you go. Very beautiful, very nice. Am I gonna count this? Should I count this? I don't know if I should. Maybe I should. Oh, they give you a fuse puller as well. That's good. So if you lose the one that comes with your car, you got one here spare. That's really good of them. Good marks for that. So I'll give it 10 out of 10 just because I can tell from the quality as well. Pretty damn good quality. So I believe these ones are 20. Yeah, so the 20s are always yellow for some reason. Maybe it's a standard or something. So yeah, that's how it should look. As you can see, the metal's intact. There you go, 20 amp fuse. So it says 20 there. That's how you know it's all good. So I'm gonna quickly count all these, make sure we got the exact amount. So standard size we got, oh, they're all mixed and matched, so the small and big ones are in the same bit. Can I be asked counting it? I really can't, but you should really check all this stuff, because yeah, you don't want to get scammed, you guys. But yeah, I trust you guys, but you never know, you can make a mistake. So yeah, I highly recommend this if you need fuses. Very cheap, £8 for a full set of 160 piece, whereas on Halfords, if I was to just get 2 of these fuses, is £10, £12 for a set of 2 of just one, so 20 of them, so 20 amp. So 2 20 amp fuses would have been £12. because that's how they do in sets of 2. Whereas here I'm getting a full set for £8. So Halfords is a rip-off. It's just there if it's emergency you'd go Halfords, but I had time to waste, you know. It's not like a fuel pump. It's not like a fuel pump fuse went out or something, or the car alarm fuse went out. It's just simple 12 volt socket's gone out, we need to replace it. So it's not an emergency. So I waited a few days, it came in 2 days anyway, so it's not bad. And I don't even have Prime, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Very good product, highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go get one. I recommend it. I bought it because this is my only fuses I got left anyway now, so I do need some extra fuses. So now I've got the extra fuses, and yeah, I got 2 sizes. So the newer cars use these smaller size ones, so be aware of that. That's why I bought the new ones as well, so that's future proofed as well for me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.